Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to get list of all files in getFiles directory and how to download any URL to files directory. So to get list of all files in files directory, I have this method refresh list. Okay, I get it in onCreate. So in onCreate, I have this seek_var1 gone and list view one set custom view data to list map. So initially there will be no data in list map. So but still I have set it to list map, and after that I use refresh list, which will get the data to list map and refresh the data. So here I use this block get file list in path to listing file list. So this is the path get files directory. We have to add dot get absolute path to convert it to string. Then we use this loop to add all the files to list map so that we can display it in custom list view. So I have added key file here, and each item of this file list is added to this list map. After this I refresh the list view. So this is how we can get the list of all the data. Now in onBind custom view, in text view 1 I display the name of the file by using get last segment path of this file, which is file path. And then I have image view 1 click method in which I display a dialog for deleting the file. When yes is clicked, I delete the file path, then I delete the item from the map list, and then I refresh the data. This refresh data block is available in variable. You can get it from here. Now the second part, I will just show you this custom view. It contains this image view 1 for delete, and this is text view 1 for displaying the file name. Now for downloading, you have to add internet permission. So here I have added internet permission. Okay, after this you have to create this file link helper, or you can name it download helper or anything else .java. So inside this file I have an interface download callback which contains on progress, on success, and on error, which I can use in activity by defining new download callback with these methods. Okay, so then I have this download method, download to app data async, in which we have to add the context, then the URL of the file to be downloaded, the output name, the name with which the file should be saved in files directory, and the download callback. So here for download callback we will write new download callback with these three methods, on progress, on success, and on error. Then inside this I have a handler for posting something to the main activity. Then I have a new thread, new runnable @override public void run. So this will run in the background. After this I have defined input stream input and output stream output. Then I have try catch exception, in which I define file, the output file as get files directory, and then the name of the output file. This is the name which we specify for the output file. Then there is URL, HTTP URL connection for the URL specified. Okay, after this we get the total size from this HTTP URL connection, and then we define input stream from this HTTP URL connection and output stream for the output file. After this there is this byte array buffer, which is of byte size 4096, and this int read and int downloaded, all these are 0. And then there is this for loop which will read the file from input stream and write it to output stream. Okay, so while read equal to input.read buffer not equal to -1. So while when it is reading, the whatever is read is not -1, then it will write it to the output stream. So output.write buffer, it will write this byte size to output stream. And then for getting the download percentage, it divides the int downloaded, which is plus equal to read, by total size. Okay, and then this final percent which is downloaded will be equal to this percent, and then it posts it to this callback on progress. And after the end of this while loop, the output is flushed, and then to UI it, or callback, to download callback, it posts on success. So when the download is complete, we will get to know in on success method. After that there is catch exception method, and inside this also to UI or download callback it posts the on error method. And finally we close the input and output stream. Okay, so that's all in download part. And then it contains one more method, public boolean is file already downloaded. So if this file name is already downloaded in files directory, okay, it checks this. If it is already downloaded, then it will return true. So all the codes are available at link in description. Now how to use it? When this download button is clicked, I define this string variable link to edit text one get text, and string variable file name to get last segment path of link. And then I check if this file exists in files directory. So I use link helper dot is file already downloaded and this file name. So if it already is, if this file name already exists in get files directory, then I toast a message file already exists, else I download it. So first I make seekbar1 visible. Seekbar1 was gone in on create, so here I make it visible. Then I use link helper dot download to app data async, which takes the context, the link, the file name with which it should be saved, and then a new link helper dot download callback. And inside this I have this on progress method in which I make seekbar1 progress to the percent which is downloaded. Then there is on success method in which I make seekbar1 gone and I toast downloaded file path, and then I refresh the list. This refresh list I have already shown you, it is used in on create, and after that it is used in on download success. So whenever a file is downloaded, it will refresh the list and display the new file in the list view. In on error method, I make seekbar1 gone and toast the error message. Okay, so that's all here. Thank you very much for watching this. I'll just show you this app. So here I've already added a link, and when I click on download, it will display it in progress bar, and after download it will display it in this list. So thank you very much for watching this.